primary assignment of depression is to keep you silent. Oh, my nails them. And when you are silent, you run the risk of aborting your destiny.
True?
So you must always speak life over your life. Call those things that are not as though they are. But sometimes darkness and depression can lick your physics and you can barely move. You just depend. Can't talk because bad feeling pin you down like seatbelt. Sometimes you have to do therapy. You call your friend. You read a book. You try to do your hobby. And sometimes on top of all of that, you need to take a break. Now in Formula 1 racing, man, I want to include. That's why I'm using an example that's relatable to you. In Formula 1 racing, the cars them is going so fast, up to 230 miles per hour. Them is basically flying low. And because them going so fast, the car tire them mash up quick. So they have to do a pit stop and change the tires them. If you are in the race, but it is time for you to take your pit stop. But you want to keep going. You now decides to say, you almost reached the finish line. So you're not going to bother stop to change the tires them and so on. You can risk mashing up the car and also mashing up yourself. So that's why it's imperative that you take a break in this life. Take your vacations them. Take your 2 weeks off. Take your holidays them. The Lord make it hurt in 6 days and on the 7th day he have rested. Now when you take the break now, if depression decides to walk in addition to therapy, you need to talk out of your nice clean mouth. The wisdom of the Lord is at work in my life. I am the head and not the tail. For God has not given me the spirit of fear but of power and of love and of a sound mind. I am blessed in my going out and into my coming in. Easier said than done. But it's a start to a better mental health. Bang!
When your Jamaican parent sends you a friend request,
Janet, I sent you a friend request on the Facebook.
Yes, mommy, I saw it, mommy.
So how comes I'm not seeing your profile?
Mommy, I declined it.
I beg your pardon?
I declined it, mommy.
And why is that?
Because, mommy, you're not one of my little friend them.
Jamaicans commenting on the body at a funeral.
The funeral home do a real nice job with them. At the first, Mrs. she put on clothes and look good so. Mavis, what a way the last week sit down on her forehead. Husband look real sad. Let me know hear saying baby mother there too. Mavis, she almost look as young as the picture on the program. Don't speak ill of the dead, then we come back. Me not speak ill of Alright. I kill a mosquito 106. I want that. Janet, you stop that nice in the church before I tear you. Like, you hear me?
Yes, mommy.
It's good that them bury her with her Bible. Then after she used to read it while she alive. Mrs. Tori, they have to tell about long bench, not the fit draw. All the same, no worry yourself. You're here, Pauline will take care of the dog for you. Is a gold chain that? Yes. See the gold chain right there upon her. Mavis, no point your finger upon the body, your finger will drop off. Run! Don't be like no cut! Mavis, come back here, you never let me out!
The blood of Jesus!
Jamaicans hate it when you stare at them.
Awa, why steering and not driving? Awa, you look at me for? You try to take your yah from me, you see something where you like? Look for me again if you think you're bad. What you look for? Awa, I'm see you. See what you look for ya. You have a problem with me, miss? You know me? You know me how? My teeth close off a line for you. Me have an same thing for you. Come take off the frack off for me. Take it back. Take it. Come strip me down naked same place right here.
How that girl you stare for me for doing?
Me owe your money. I'm going to juke out your eye. You lost. Your mother never tell you say it's impolite to stare at people. You must say FBI. Informer for dead. I don't look for look. I touch for touch. Come touch me if you think you're bad. Me say if you come touch. Alright, yeah man, that good now. What you said? This good right here so me stay? That's your word. Alright.
Nobody, older teachers and the substitute teacher this school term.
Now, as you all know, I am a seasoned teacher. I've been teaching for 41 years. And now we have a substitute teacher, Miss Carlisle. Please make her welcome.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, Miss Carlisle.
Hi, Miss Carlisle. We have 600. 9 cannot come from 0. However, the 1 is smaller than the 6. So you need to borrow from the 10. And so 9 from 10 leaves 1. 411. And that's the standard method. I'm going to ask Miss Carlisle to come and do the same equation for you using the standard method. Of course, there's another way that the students can do it. Excuse me? You have an easier way where you can just subtract 1 from both numbers. Minus 1 from the 600 and then minus 1 from the 189. Oh, that is so kind of you, Miss Carlisle. All the numbers at the top are bigger than the numbers at the bottom. Miss Carlisle said bottom. At the lower equation, Jeremy, 8 from 9 is 1 and 1 from 5 is 4. Yes, miss, we understand it now, miss. No, No. I have been teaching this for 41 years. Well, we will ask the students which method do they prefer. But I must say this. In this life, everything cannot be simplified for you. And not everything is supposed to be easy. You must have a level of substance. Simple things are for simple minds.
Miss Caroline method, miss.
Okay, pop quiz. You can use her method in the pop quiz. Get out your pen and paper.